Hi there. In this video, we are going to talk about PHP short functions for arrays. Elements of array can be sort in ascending or descending order, and there are few sorting functions we have for array in PHP. So let's try check one by one. So first function is sort. It sorts array in ascending order. So I'll keep continue adding code in this file, so just remove this and let's say I am making an array of numbers. Three, six, seven, two, one. So I'm making this array of numbers. First, let's see how it looks, and then we will see how sort works. So it's simple, 3, 6, 7, 2, 1 in this order we just printed. Now let's sort this array. So whenever we sort array using these functions, we don't need to assign it to any variable. So once it is sort, let's print again. Let me make a comment. And let's refresh. So after sorting, it is automatically sorted in ascending order using this function. So that was the sort function. Now let's check r sort. So it will sort in descending order. So let's add r, and then the big value will come first, 76321. So that's that, pretty simple. Now this is AR sort. So sort associative array in ascending order according to the value. So now let's make associative array. So let's add percentage over here and student name. And let's print this. Let's comment this for a moment. So I have created an array. So this is the percentage and this is the student name. So now we are checking AR sort, which will sort an array in ascending order based on the value. So it will consider this value and sort in ascending order. So let's use a sort. So according to value, this Adi should come first, then Bunty, and then Rahul. Let's refresh. Something is wrong. Okay, I forgot semicolon. So as you can see, Adi comes first, Bunty second, and Rahul third. So that's A sort. Now let's check K sort. So it will sort based on key. This A sort will sort based on value, and K sort will sort based on key, and it is in ascending order. So now Adi should come first, Bunty second, and Rahul third. Actually this is automatically set, but let me first, let's use K sort. So let me add this. Now Rahul has for 20%, so Rahul, Adi, and Bunty. It should be like that. So yeah, yes. Rahul, Adi, and Bunty. 20, 40, 50. So that is K sort. Now this AR sort. So it will sort in descending order based on the value. Let's see. So based on the value, Rahul comes first, then Bunty, and then Adi. And KR sort, so that will be based on key. So it will sort in descending order based on key. So as you can see, 50 comes first, then 40, and then 20. So K stands for key, R stands for reverse. So that is, these are the sort functions. There are many other array functions we have. These are some array functions. I would recommend to just see at least. You don't need to by heart or remember any of this, but see this and check how this functions work. I will add this link into the description section, and if you have any doubt or question, please write down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video, guys.